Alright, here we go. I'm gonna do wasabi, snorting wasabi, and I'm gonna eat a fucking ghost chili at the same time. I'm setting a new world record for being an idiot. There's a ghost chili. Dried naga boot jaloka, or whatever it's called. And snorting granulated wasabi. Grated wasabi.
Are you serious?
Here we go.
Who's gonna snort it? You?
Me. Here you go.
Dude, like you don't care about your life? Like I have my depressions and shit with you.
There's no water, there's just milk now to drink.
Here you go.
Oh, are you fucking kidding me, dude?
Let's see what happens.
Oh my lord.
Won't come up.
Don't come out, just use your nose then. Fail?
It won't go.
You gotta squeeze that straw, the one that's in your nostril, and kind of like plug it. You gotta plug it, and then, yeah.
Like that?
There you go.
Here
The
you
other
go.
way around. 'Cause that shit ain't gonna
This way?
suck up. Yeah.
Here you go. Look at it. Look at it. Can you see it good?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I heard that thing go up. He said, "What?"
You want to see him eat the chili, dog?
It didn't go in.
No?
Here you go. Look, I'm not gonna be chickening out of it.
How does it feel? Does
It
it
didn't
hurt?
go in. Just a little bit. It doesn't burn that bad. Here you go.
Get some more. Get. Is it going?
Look,
Get
I'm
some.
just gonna put it in. Just
Now go.
oh.
Are you recording him?
I'm setting a new record. Wasabi in the nose and ghost chili.
Freaking crazy.
Let me get him a cup of milk, please.
Come on.
How long have I had it in my mouth?
I don't know, just wait 10 more seconds. 1, 2,
Where's the milk at?
3. It's on the table. Alright, 4 more seconds.
Alright, I'm gonna throw it out. I'm not eating it.
Alright, go. Here, hold it. How does it feel? Is the wasabi even? Is the wasabi? Did the wasabi even hit you? Did it? I didn't know how I felt. It's gonna be pretty. That milk ain't shit.
Oh my god.
I went through that same thing, man. Can you taste the wasabi? I mean, not the wasabi, but can you feel it in your brain or no? You're gonna feel that pain for the next 20 minutes. Don't worry, man. It's not gonna go away. Drink as much milk as you want. It's not gonna go away. It just cools it off for a second.
I'm pretty hot.
You stop recording already?
Funny. Saturday. Let this bitch fucking. I'm not supposed to put that shit in it.
Let's get a facial. Look at the camera. How do you feel? You want more milk? You want a piece of gum? You want some nacho sauce?
Oh my god.
Let me see my phone. Oh crap. Hello? Hello?
How did my daddy eat that?
I called Brittany for like 2 minutes on accident.
Who can beat that? I want to see somebody beat that. Wasabi and ghost chili.
Is it still cold? I had to walk around, man. I couldn't just stay still. I don't even know if walking around helped, but
It's going away now. It still burns a lot though.
yeah. Look, go look at your lips. We look at it, it's all red. So you can only record 9 minutes, pause, and record 9 again? What burnt more, the wasabi or the ghost chili?
The ghost chili.
Yeah. I told you. By a lot. There's ice in the fridge. Still burning?
Stay tuned and watch our next videos and see how more stupid shit we do.